like a son. You better think
Okay,
about it.
has the hiccup.
Have a day of celebration.
They just
That's
thought.
great.
No, they're gonna start again. Ready? One, two,
The guys all
three.
with the beautiful buzz. Baby, cause you wondering just where you got that from.
She just wants an excuse to jump up and down.
Baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body
Can I scare you? Are they gone?
Baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from. Baby, what you get your body from? Tell me what you get your body from.
Okay, let's try to get rid of my hiccup. Okay. Are they gone? That was so funny to watch. That was so funny. I see. I got scared. Like, oh my god. Okay. Take care of
Here we
yourself.
go. If the girl real fine, 9 times out of 10 she fine just like a mama. And if the girl real pretty, 9 times out of 10 she pretty like a mama. Real ugly, I guarantee she gon' be ugly like a mama. And if I'm ugly, she gon' be ugly
Are
like
you
a mama.
scared now?
If the girl real
Did you stop it? We need another song. We need another song.
Wait. We have to get rid of it. Hiccups.
Okay. My god.
Wait, I'm gonna hold my breath. Okay, let's both hold our breath. Ready?
Wait.
1, 2.
Swallow. 1, 2, 3. Hey! We do it on 3. Okay. 3. 1, 2, 3. Can't hold my breath for that long. Wait. 1, 2, 3. I was like, what the fuck? You're trying to film me out. You're like,
Oh my god.
You
I
eat
still
your
have the
hiccup?
hiccups. No, I still have them.
okay, wait. I'm gonna spray you.
No.
Okay,
I would die. That kills people.
Wait,
This
are your hiccups gone? Are your hiccups gone?
Clorox kills lives. It ends them.
Okay, wait.
It's a suicide bomb. Ah! No.
Is it?
Look, kills flu virus. That's what it does. Ah! No! No!
I sprayed it. I sprayed it. I
That's
sprayed
like
it. It's off.
You-
It's off. It's off. It's off. I'm so
He's an idiot. I still have it. Wait, let's see. Wait,
get rid of
let's see
that.
if I still have my hiccups. Hold on.
1,